Your Stripe account is under review. Your payouts are paused. Sound familiar? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to accept crypto payments directly to your wallet. No KYC, no middleman, no waiting. DirectCryptoPay is a non-custodial payment gateway. That means when your customer pays, the crypto goes straight from their wallet to yours. No platform holds your funds. No fees beyond network gas. And you can set it up in minutes. Signing up is instant. You can continue with Google, log in with your crypto wallet, or enter your email for a magic link. Once in the dashboard, a setup checklist guides you through 3 steps. First, add your payout wallet. Just paste your public address. This is where all payments will land. Then, create an integration for your project. Select the blockchain networks you want to accept. I'm enabling Ethereum and Polygon. Polygon keeps gas fees under a cent for your customers. You can also enable auto conversion to automatically receive all payments as USDC. Now let's create your first payment link. Go to Payment Tools and click Create. Give it a name. Set your price in US dollars. The system handles crypto conversion automatically at checkout. Save it. That's it. You now have a payment URL you can share anywhere. And if you click Get Code, you'll find ready-to-paste snippets, a simple link, a styled button, or a full embedded widget. Now let's do a real payment on testnet. I'm clicking Open Link to see the checkout page. But first, let me show you the merchant wallet on Polygon Scan. Remember this balance. I connect my wallet, select USDC on Polygon, and confirm. The transaction costs less than a cent in gas because we're on Polygon. And just like that, payment confirmed by the backend. Let's check Polygon Scan again. The funds are already there. No 3-day settlement. No platform holding your money. Instant and verifiable on-chain. Back in your dashboard, you can track every payment in real time. Status, amount, network, transaction hash. Everything is transparent and verifiable on-chain. That's it. 2 minutes from zero to a live payment link. No KYC, no fees, no middleman. If you're a developer, check out our API docs and GitHub repo. Links in the description. We also have a live demo site you can test right now. And if you want to try the Pro plan, our first 20 testers get 3 months free. Join the Discord to claim your spot. Thanks for watching.